Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming prerequisites. You must have an active Zerodha Coin login, completed Aadhaar and PAN KYC, and a linked bank account with a cancelled check or passbook image uploaded. Ensure your mobile number is registered with the bank so you can receive an OTP, and have your internet banking credentials ready for the e-mandate step. Note that the bank mandate is mandatory for systematic purchases and SIPs, and mandate activation typically completes in 24-72 hours after successful authentication. Log into Zerodha Coin and navigate to Profile, then Bank Mandates. Click Add Bank and enter your account number, IFSC, account type, and upload a cancelled check image or passbook page. Choose to set up an e-mandate, select your bank from the list, and the flow will redirect you to the bank's net banking portal, where you must authenticate using your internet banking credentials and approve the mandate with the SMS OTP sent to your registered mobile. After approval, you will return to Coin with a confirmation screen, and the mandate status will show pending, then active in 24-70. When the mandate becomes active, it authorizes future SIPs and lump sum purchases without repeat bank authentication, and it remains valid until the expiry date or until you cancel it. If your mandate setup fails, common causes include mismatched account details, an unregistered mobile number for OTP, or net banking restrictions. In that case, reinitiate the e-mandate after correcting details or contact your bank to enable e-mandates. To cancel or update the mandate, revoke it in Coin or request cancellation through your bank. Changes generally reflect in 24-72 hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.